Alright, so this is the car I'm thinking about putting a bid on. It looks pretty clean. Doesn't look that bad. This side is all clean as well. And then here looks where most of the impact came. And by the look of it, we have bent radiator support, bent radiators. I don't see any frame damage coming in from here. Look at the rails, everything looks straight. It says here, the fender, the gap doesn't even look that bad too. Everything seems intact. And then interior looks like it's in excellent condition. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's a look at the engine bay. I already took off the front bumper.